Hey, fantastic folks! Welcome back to Craftella, the go-to spot for all things homemade fun. Today, get ready to embark on a journey of DIY activities that'll turn your home into a hub of excitement. There you have it, fellow homemakers. Some fabulous homemade activities to infuse joy and creativity into your days. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more homemaking adventures here on Craftella. Until next time, happy homemaking.